Dema account. If you want to trade Forex, you need to practice Dema first. You can practice trading with virtual money and Dema account. For this reason, the brokers have arranged for trade in Dema. This virtual money is just for practice. You will not be able to withdraw the profit of Dema account. Loss is not a problem. There is no problem even if the account is cumin. If you open another Dema account, you will get new dollars again. Dema account only to further enhance your skills. The more you trade, the more you learn to trade. You should not start your real trade before you learn to trade well. Because then you will be more likely to lose. So when you are satisfied with your trading by trading in Dema, you should start real trading only. How long should Dema trade? If you have received hands-on training from an experienced trader, you will have to spend at least 2 months. And if you read the blog and trade, then it should be done from 6 months to 1 year. What is the benefit of trading in Dema? 1. By trading Dema you can learn different Forex techniques too. You can test different trading strategies. 3. You can identify the cause of your loss and correct it. 4. You can check the effectiveness of any new EA or indicator. Dema trading will help you in many ways to further improve your trading. How to start trading in Dema? You will need a software to trade Dema or Real. This is called trading terminal in the language of Forex. Most brokers use MetaTrader terminals. We also need to download a MetaTrader terminal. Open a Dema account by clicking the link below and download the MetaTrader platform. Downloaded MetaTrader 4. Once downloaded, install the file. Towards the end of the installation it will download some update files. Wait a minute. Once installed, it will take you directly to the Dema account play page. If for some reason the pager is not open alone, then you have to open the MetaTrader terminal manually. First click on Open. An account from file.dema account has been created. Now save the account number and password and click on Finish. Once you finish, your ID password will be saved. And you will be logged in automatically. You are now ready to trade.